Last night was the Reggae Gold Award ceremony held at the National Arena, which saw the induction of Ken Boothe into the Jamaica Music Museum Hall of Fame. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Reggae Gold Award ceremony was held last night at the National Arena. A special highlight of the evening event was the induction of Ken Boothe into the Jamaican Museum Hall of Fame, a long-earned honor for a voice that helped shape rocksteady and reggae. Other highlights for the night was performances by Luciano backed by the Reggae Symphony Orchestra and Mega Band, plus performances from Etana, Richie Stephen, Romain Virga, among others. In attendance was the Minister of Culture, Sports and Entertainment, the Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange. Reggae icon Ken Boothe has been officially inducted into the Jamaica Music Museum. The 77-year-old was honored with the achievement by the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, the Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange.
From the heart of Jamaica to the farthest corners of the world, his voice has carried love, longing, resistance, and soul for more than 6 decades. It's the voice of Ken Boothe, and it's not merely heard, it is felt. Ken Boothe is one of Jamaica's most celebrated and influential vocalists, revered for his extraordinary ability to fuse reggae, rocksteady, and soul into a timeless, emotionally rich sound. Rising to prominence in the early 1960s, he became a defining figure of the rocksteady era, delivering a catalog of classics that helped shape the foundation of modern Jamaican music. His effortless phrasing, vocal control, and emotional depth earned him the enduring title Mr. Rocksteady. Among his most outstanding achievements is his historic success on the international stage. In 1974, Boothe reached #1 on the UK singles chart with his haunting rendition of Everything I Own.
And I would give anything I own.
Becoming one of the first Jamaican artists to top the British charts. The song's global success marked a pivotal moment in reggae history, opening doors for Jamaican music worldwide. He followed with additional UK hits, including Crying Over You,
Crying over you in the morning.
further cementing his reputation as a reggae soul crossover pioneer. Boothe's legacy is inseparable from the architects of Jamaica's golden musical era. Throughout his remarkable career, Ken Boothe has received numerous Lifetime Achievements Awards and national honors, including recognition from the Jamaican government for his immeasurable contribution to the country's cultural and music heritage. His influence spans continents and eras, with his work continually covered, sampled, and celebrated by artists across genres. In recognition of his enduring impact and historical significance, it is with great pride that we honor this living legend with a distinction that formally enshrines his place among the giants of Jamaican music. Ken Boothe, a most deserving inductee to the 2026 Jamaica Music Museum Hall of Fame.
Give up my life, my heart, my own.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand as we honor our living icon, the 2026 inductee into the Jamaica Music Hall of Fame, Mr. Ken Boothe OD. Come on, Jamaica, let Ken hear you. To present a citation, We welcome our acting Prime Minister and Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, the Honorable Olivia Grange, who is also joined by our Queen of Reggae, Marcia Griffiths.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. All the singers and players of instruments shall be there. All my springs are in thee. Come on, beat up with all the singers. Bring up all the singers and players of instruments. Thank you so much. Way. You know, I can't see, but I can hear you. Let me hear you. I can hear you. Let me hear you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the band. Come on, because the band. Good band. Greenfield and his friends, you know. Ready to go? I want to thank the Minister of Culture and I want to the train is coming now. The train is coming. Train, baby. The train is coming, babe. The train is coming now. You ain't for me. You ain't for me. I just want to thank you so much for supporting. This is prestigious award. This is a prestigious award for me. Thank you very much. Wow. I have Parkinson's disease, you know. Parkinson's disease. You know, sometimes I can't even talk like I'm. You see that? Anybody wish you have to see with me, right? Here we go again. Well, I'm gonna tell you goodbye, babe. But I don't wanna see you cry, babe. I'm leaving you behind. It's just for a time. I wonder if one day that you say that you care. If you say you love me, I'll gladly be there like a puppet on a string. I'll be. Oh, Marcia. Oh, Marcia.
All the sun in the air.
How my Marcia is? One day I'm feeling down on the ground. Then I look in the air. Are you leading me on to call out? Will you be gone? Oh, Lord, if the song of the swallow will reveal my sorrow, then my dear, that's the song I would borrow. Then tonight you leave. What am I tell you, boy? I want to thank all the people for their support, you know. You guys have supported us over the years, but I mean, I'm going to scream out for yourselves. Scream out for yourselves. Scream out for me, you scream out, man. I'll be just like a merry-go-round with all the fun in the fair. One day I'm feeling down on the ground. Then I'll look in the air. Oh, babe, are you me on? I'm going to tell you, boy.
Ken, we love you. We love you.
Thank you so much.
We love you.
Make some noise for Mr. Ken Boothe, no man.
Yes. You know. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Over the years, you've been supported.
It is my pleasure tonight to present to Ken Boothe his citation on being inducted into the Jamaica Music Museum Hall of Fame.
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. Thank you all the people that are here make it so possible. Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
And you know what? I must tell all of you, Ken Boothe, Marcia Griffiths, and myself, all three of us are from West Kingston. And we feel so proud to be here to be with Ken. Yes. And I want to thank Romain Virgo and all the other artists who came tonight to sing Ken Boothe songs and to show their respect for him.
Big them up, no man. No big them up, man. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Ken. So we're going to take you off stage now.
Thank you so much.
All right?
Thank you so much.
God bless you. You want to do Archibella? All right. One to go.
Ska first, ska. You're going to say ska. 1, 2, 3. Artibella, my pretty little darling, please come home to me. Artibella, I saw you with a fella, and I don't like the idea. Artibella, you told me that you love me. There's no one else above me. Artibella, you took all my money, then told me you don't want me. Artibella, you know that I love you, but you still go away. Come back to me, babe, each and every day. La 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 da. Artibella, more dance all this. Artibella, 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 Bella, Artibella, 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 Lord, Artibella, Lord, Artibella. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Artibella, come on home. Artibella. Dance around with you, dance around with Artibella, Artibella, Artibella. Thank you. Have a good night. Have a good night. Have a good night. Thank you so much. Prestigious award.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 2026 inductee. Our living legend, Mr. Ken Boothe. Come on, let Uncle Ken hear you, please. One more time for him. What an icon, what a man, what a musician. And we say thanks to our acting Prime Minister and Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, the Honorable Olivia Grange, for making the presentation of the citation. And also, big thanks to our Queen of Reggae, Marcia Griffiths, OD. Thanks again to Romain Virgo, Chris Malachi, Etana, and Lust for that heartfelt tribute to Ken Boothe.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was a moment in time. Special occasion. Kenneth George Boothe, OD, Jamaica Music Museum, Hall of Fame inductee, 2026. Now, in the midst of life, there is death, and over the past year, a number of musical stalwarts made their transition. Turn your attention to the screen as we pay tribute to fallen soldiers.